close this and we're gonna do this again. Why? Because this box is just trying to be difficult. And we don't do difficult. No, we don't. Hey Glam Dolls, I hope your new year is off to an amazing start, because I'm here today to share with you all some fabulous new year goodies that just arrived from LA Colors Cosmetics. Yes, if you are an official Glam Doll to the channel, which means you are a subscribed Glam Doll, which also means you already know my obsession with LA Colors Cosmetics. But if you happen to be a newbie passing through, seeing me for the very first time, first and foremost, welcome to the channel. My name is Glam. I'm all about being a beauty on a budget who love not breaking her bank for a fabulous look. I do encourage you hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notifications, therefore you will never miss an upload. So I did a poll, right? And I posted it and I said, hey, what would you all like to see, you know, for the beginning of the new year? This poll right here, and half of you was like, we want to see the makeup haul. So I am happily here to kindly oblige your request. I'm going to go ahead and get into this box of goodies. Okay. Whew, gosh, I'm so excited. So anyway, nicely packaged, right? As per usual, LA Colors never disappoint, okay? They know how to do some packaging. So we are just going to remove this tissue paper. Here we go. Look at the fabulous goodies. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm doing too much. Okay, first things first. If you're an official Glam Doll, you're going to hear me say that a lot. So you might as well just hit that subscribe button so you can become an official Glam Doll. So like I was saying, if you're an official Glam Doll on the channel, which means you are a subscribed Glam Doll, you know my obsession with artificial nails. And I just did a haul with some nails that LA Colors have recently launched. And guess what? I got some more. These are the Lavish Nail Luxe Finish artificial nails. They come 26 to a pack. They are in the coffin and stiletto shape, and this was LA Colors' first time ever releasing nails in this type of length. I'm here for it. This is the first one. Gorgeous. So that's that one. Then we have the stiletto version. Okay, this is the stiletto one. Once again, that video is available for you down in the description box below, sharing with you the look. Okay, this is the stiletto version. Here is another stiletto version. Okay, my official Glam Dolls, y'all already seen these before. If you're having a hard time finding them, check down in the description box below. These are available down in your in your description box below, because it's right underneath this video. Hello. But if you just want to happen to go ahead, go on the hunt and look for them, they are available in your local drugstores like CVS, Rite Aid, Walgreens, but they're definitely available at your local Walmart. Just saying. Next thing up is these ice powder pigments right here. I have 3 new colors to share with you all. These are the 3 different colors. They come individually, okay? They just happen to package them all in one pack, you know, for space saving purposes. But that's these right here, these 3 colors. I will list those colors down in the description box below, because this video is more so just the unboxing, because this is what you all have asked for. I also got some more LA Colors duotone eyeshadows. Now, Glam Dolls, I have shared with you, as a matter of fact, I have a full playlist down in the description box below, sharing with you all a plethora of different videos and looks I have created just from the LA Colors brand by itself. Okay, these are the duotone eyeshadows. Come on, y'all gotta remember these right here, because I have so many videos sharing with you all looks I've created off of one eyeshadow palette. 2 colors, 1 look. You don't gotta add a bunch of eyeshadows to create a fabulous eye look. No, that right there. So these are the 4 right here, and these colors that I have will be listed down below. I also got another pack. I really got it because of this color right here. This is called Escape. All right, I'm loving that neon green. Oh, and this one, insane name. This one is called Last Night. Who names these? Who really names these? Okay, moving right along. So I got some more of the Skin Illuminating Enhancers. These are the liquid highlighters. Okay, cheek highlight. I'm telling you, my whole face, except for my foundation, but the rest of my face, LA Colors Cosmetics. I'm just saying. Don't forget, I got another blending brush. I know my official dolls is like, do you need any more makeup brushes? Of course I need more makeup brushes. Why? Because honestly, I don't like washing the makeup brushes I have. You know, side note, and just my opinion, the reason, let me speak for myself. The reason why I have as many makeup brushes as I do, honestly, because I'm lazy. Not because I want to proclaim myself to be some kind of makeup artist. No, it's because I dread washing them. So it's like easier for me to buy some new ones than to wash the ones I have. So that's this one right here. These blending brushes are a godsend. Again, this kind of makeup brush blended this eye look that you're seeing. I be telling you all, stop sleeping, LA Colors Cosmetics. And the last thing out of my box I want to share with you all are the Velvet Plush Lippies. OMG, the Velvet Plush Lippies. And I have pretty much the whole collection of colors. So with this one, I'm going to do a swatch simply because I haven't seen too many people talking about them. But when I get it out the pack, look at that color you see. Oh my gosh, you are definitely going to get, okay, look at that. Look at that right there. Gorgeous. And it glides on so smooth. And it smells like you can eat this. This won't last long on my lips. But this is the color Allure. So at least I did one swatch for you all, because I'm going to do the rest of the swatches in a whole nother separate video, because I don't want to overwhelm or bore you all in this video. So on that note, that was everything that was in my box. And you know, I was so happy to come here today and share it with you all. And if any of you was interested in my hair or my makeup or the nails that I'm wearing in this video, it will be down in the description box below. But just real quick to show you, this was the eyeshadow palette that I used to create the eye look that you are seeing. It was this one right here, and this was only $1. Look at that, $1 eyeshadow created this eye look. LA Colors Cosmetics, she don't be playing. Seriously, this now concludes the video. I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. I have another video coming up for y'all very, very shortly. Rainbow Shop, Joyce Leslie. I have another video coming up for y'all very shortly. Thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. So I'm gonna go and put my goodies away, but I will see you in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.